The McKinley Water Vault. It's needed to reduce East Sacramento street flooding when water from big storms exceed the combined sewer system capacity. And it's not just rainwater, because in East Sacramento, we have a combined sewer system that combines stormwater and wastewater. At maximum capacity, streets flood from excessive water or outflows of wastewater and stormwater. It's a mess, and it's time to fix it because it can cause significant property damage and flood neighborhoods. The McKinley Water Vault will temporarily store wastewater during large storms to reduce street flooding. The vault will drain into the combined sewer system as the storm subsides. All the wastewater from the vault will travel through a pipe to regional sand to be treated to high water quality standards before being discharged into the Sacramento River. The vault will not be used during dry weather months. It's that simple. The McKinley Water Vault will protect homes, buildings, people, and your park by reducing street flooding in East Sacramento. Your utilities, your partner, always working.